So guys, part 2 na ng challenge namin na the boat is sinking. So guys, magsisimula na tayo. Pero bago tayo magsimula, huwag niyo kalimutang mag-like, comment, at subscribe. Magsisimula na kami guys. Magsisimula na tayo guys. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into two.
Wait lang guys, wait lang.
So guys, siya guys ang nag-out. Okay lang, baka anong bal mo? Ano yung bal mo? So guys, mag-start kami. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into three. So guys, isamang na out. My God. Wow, peace.
Wow, please.
The boat is sinking.
Uy, nahulog!
Into four. So guys, ang na-out. Okay lang. Next.
Yay! Yak ko lagi.
The boat is sinking. Group yourself into five.
Tantanon?
Regine! 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 Guys, na-out sila guys.
Wow, pes!
Regine! Ako mambal?
Tatlo, dapat tatlo. Wow, pes! Basa pa!
Alay, saka mo dyan, boy!
Uro, hello.
The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into two. Out guys, ano masasabi mo DJ? Ano mambal mo? Wala. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into three. Si DJ nga dyan ka pasapa ko ay pa. Na-out si Sia.
Drop your sinking.
Nag-cry siya. Ipas na ni Jay.
Ento to.
So guys, nag-away guys. Wait lang guys. So guys, meron nang nanalo kami ni Ann. So guys, bye-bye. So guys, eto na. Dito na nagtatapos ang aming vlog. Bye-bye.